Hey guys, Kevin Hornturma here. I'm here to do a haunted inspiration video. I don't know if you could see the wind out there, but it's blowing pretty darn hard. Look at the trees. And you can hear thunder in the background. The clouds are all gray. Rain's probably going to start falling soon. But if you see those trees, it's going pretty violent. I just saw lightning. I've done a couple of these videos on storms and how, you know, a stormy background could be a scary setting for a haunt. But one of the things I never talked about was extreme weather. I talked about storms and I've talked about rain itself, but I mean these are very, very, very intense winds. These are the kind of winds that can knock down trees. So this kind of weather is definitely frightening. Look at those leaves. You could hear that thunder rolling in the background. I don't know if you can hear that. I could hear it. But those leaves are shaking pretty harshly. Wanted to show you this video because I have done a couple of videos, and if you could see those dark clouds in the background, you know, this is scary. Sheena, get in the house. And I wanted to show you guys because last time I didn't get as good of an image as what I'm getting right here. You can see these trees swaying, you can hear that thunder roaring, and there you go. Look at those dark clouds up there. I didn't get a good picture of this, so this is part 2. Sheena, get inside. I just saw lightning. It struck pretty close. Alright guys, I just wanted to get this because I didn't get as good of a storm in the last video I did. So here's part 2 of haunted inspiration thunderstorms. And get a look at those clouds up there, guys. This storm's gonna get pretty intense. Sheena, get inside. Get inside, please. I don't want you to get struck by lightning. Alright guys, happy haunts. See you on the next video. And subscribe to our channel. Bye guys.